menstruation is painful. Why? Why there is a pain in menstruation? You need to remember one thing. Whenever there is a pain, there must be either inflammation or hypoxia or muscle over contraction. Three things should be there to get a pain anytime. Either there will be inflammation, either there is a hypoxia, or there is a muscle over contraction. Only these things can cause a pain. In menstruation, at the end of menstruation cycle, at the end of the cycle, the level of the various hormones like estrogen and progesterone decreases. The main reason behind the inflammation and pain is because of progesterone. You must remember why there is a pain, why there is inflammation. It's because of decrease in progesterone. Now, what progesterone do? The progesterone is a vasodilator. Also immunosuppressor. It's a vasodilator and immunosuppressor both. At the end of the menstruation cycle, when there is a decrease in progesterone, it will lead to vasoconstriction of the arteries, spiral arteries of endometrium, spiral arteries. Okay. Secondly, it releases PGF2 alpha, various cytokines and interleukins into the circulation, and that will lead to inflammation, a local inflammation and pain. So one thing is necessary. If there is a pain in the menstruation cycle, the culprit behind that is decrease in progesterone and followed by increase in the inflammatory products.